Hello once again, class. Taking a little break here from the urban legends and video game lore to get back into the good old SCPs. Now, I know we all like the urban legends. I do too. I like the video game lore, don't get me wrong. But I have obligations to keep to the Foundation under contract, and trust me, the Foundation is not an organization you exactly want to upset. Besides, you guys all seem to enjoy yourself while you're here anyway for these. But without further ado, let's begin. Today's item number is SCP-1104, otherwise known as the Nose Crabs, quite hilariously. The object class is Keter. Special containment procedures. Complete destruction of SCP-1104 is endorsed, should adequate means be developed. While individual instances of SCP-1104 are easily terminated, SCP-1104 is endemic to the subsurface geological formations in northwestern Redacted, rendering the surmised primary population of SCP-1104 increasable to the convenient lethal agents. A surrounding area of 10 kilometers in diameter has been diagnosed as Site-104. Description: SCP-1104 is a species tentatively identified as a member of Order Chelicerata. The life cycle of SCP-1104 comprises at least two distinct phases, the first being a larval stage, approximately 0.4 millimeters in diameter, at irregular intervals. Larval SCP-1104 are expelled from lava tubes within SCP-104 at concentrations up to 200 individuals per cubic meter. These remain airborne for as long as 14 hours and have been documented to travel at least Redacted kilometers under favorable weather conditions. When inhaled, larvae will adhere to nasal mucosa, where they excrete an array of H1 receptor antagonists that suppress both local inflammation and implementation of further larvae. Over a period of 6 to 8 months, SCP-1104 will grow and extend appendages through the host's ethmoidal canals. Hosts generally remain unaware of the presence of SCP-1104, apart from persistent but nonspecific headaches. On maturation, SCP-1104 will begin applying pressure to the host's optic nerves, causing obstruction of the central visual field. This pressure is applied selectively when the host is not orientated towards local gradient of atmospheric hydrogen sulfide, which SCP-1104 can detect through the host's inhalations. After an initial period of distress, the host will begin to prefer to face and travel in directions where they do not experience visual disturbances, thus tracing the source of hydrogen sulfide. Upon reaching a zone of sufficient hydrogen sulfide concentration, SCP-1104 projects appendages into the host's prefrontal cortex, causing unconsciousness, during which SCP-1104 exits the host via the ocular cavity. After leaving the host, SCP-1104 attempts to locate and enter the source of hydrogen sulfide, such as a lava tube or a sewer pipe. SCP-1104's subterranean life cycle has not been documented. Although humans display the same instinctual aversion as any animal to visual disturbances caused by SCP-1104, the behavioral response is not a compulsion, and hosts may defy the influence, especially if informed of the nature of SCP-1104. Note that subsequent hostility towards research personnel should be anticipated. Attempts at surgically removing or poisoning a fully developed SCP-1104 result in immediate elicitation of its exit response. Post-exit, hosts exhibit complete aspontaneity due to orbitofrontal lesions, and to date have provided no permanent information in debriefing. Thank you for taking part in today's lecture. I hope you all enjoyed, and until next time.